again, we're here in Bugsworth on this video, a place that knows a thing or two about the Industrial Revolution, community spirit, and having a good time. Bugsworth isn't just a village, it's a large part of industrial history. Bugsworth Canal Basin was the site of a massive lime kiln processing hub and is the terminus of the Peak Forest Canal. It's one of the few places in the UK that's been little changed by time. They celebrate this annually with the BuXworth Steam Fair. It's more than engines, it's a reminder of the technology that built this place and the UK. The Steam Fair is a free event that's hosted by the folks at Bugsworth Memorial Club, whose building once was a bathhouse for travelling boaters and the local poor. The club was established in 1922 and it isn't just for locals. They'll happily welcome non-members if you'd like to pop in and let off some steam. The history of steam traction engines is deeply rooted in the Industrial Revolution of the late 18th and 19th centuries. Invented by visionaries like George Stephenson, these machines revolutionized transportation and powered industries across the globe. Steam traction engines were versatile workhorses, employed in various capacities from ploughing fields to hauling heavy loads. Their distinctive design, characterised by a boiler, large wheels and a towering chimney, became an iconic symbol of an era of ingenuity and progress. As diesel and electric power eventually took over, steam traction engines evolved from primary workhorses to cherished relics. And sadly, over time, many have been left to rot. But as you can see, some lovingly preserved by enthusiasts and showcased here. As you'll hear in the background of some of these clips, there's bands playing. There's quite a few playing over the weekends. The club also put on a load of competitions and games for people to play. If you're short of somewhere to stay, there's local accommodation available in holiday cottages, camping and the local B&B at the Navigation Inn. The club provides breakfast for all the exhibitors and coal for the steam engines. They'll also cook a breakfast for a small fee for those who are too hungover to make their own. The engines are kept in steam overnight, so you can have a look round, listen to some music and have a good natter.
Be loved by you, just you and nobody else but you. I want to be loved by you alone. I want to be kissed by you, just you and nobody else but
The steam party attractions are spread across the whole village, including Bugsworth Basin.
I couldn't aspire to anything higher than feel a desire to make you my own. I want to be loved by you, just you, nobody else but you. I want to be loved by you alone.
As the day ends on the Buxworth Steam Fair and the last engines start to head home, I'm reminded that history isn't just words, it's the hands of those past that built it, and those who keep its memory alive. Big thanks to Bugsworth Memorial Club for keeping this tradition going. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a nod and pass it on, and whatever you do, keep on steaming.